How to get money from Twitch donations. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to be discussing how we can get money from Twitch donations. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now, if you want to get money from Twitch donations, first of all, understand that in order to be able to and be eligible for donations on Twitch, you have to first become a Twitch partner. So you have to apply as a partner by going to Twitch website, logging into your account, then click the profile icon from the top right, then go to this option here known as create a dashboard. Once you go to create a dashboard, on the left hand side, you should be able to see various sorts of options where you can just navigate to the analytics tab over here, then go to this option here known as achievements. Once you go to achievements over here, you can see path to affiliate. So in order to be able to get donations, you need to first make sure to become an affiliate partner and a partner of Twitch. And then after that, you will be eligible for donations. So this way you can get the money from donations on Twitch. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end and see you soon in the next video.